COVERLAM can be installed on both indoor and outdoor walls made of multiple materials, as long as the substrate has the appropriate characteristics for the installation. Before starting to lay the wall tile, check that you have all the tools you need for the job. After finishing the check, make sure that the vertical substrate has the following characteristics. It is completely free of grease, oil, and dust. It is dry, and it has no traces of loose particles. You should also check that the surface is flat, stable, and free from cracks, and observe the recommended setting times. Lastly, make sure that it has the required hardness and mechanical resistance for the intended use. COVERLAM can be installed either on an existing wall tile or on a newly laid substrate. To ensure its correct installation, there are some common steps to follow in both cases. In general, the use of a flexible, improved cementitious adhesive is recommended for cement-based, stone, or plasterboard substrates commonly employed in construction. In its large formats, COVERLAM should be handled by 2 people. For all other formats, 1 person can do it alone. To facilitate the handling of the slabs, you should use specific tools such as suction cups. Make sure that the slab is supported all over, that it doesn't bend on the workbench, and that the work surface is clean and flat. Apply the adhesive with the back buttering technique, leaving no gaps, first on the underside of the slab using a 3 mm square notched trowel. Then apply adhesive to the substrate using a 6 to 9 mm notched trowel, taking care to cover the corners and edges and ensuring there are no air pockets between the substrate and the slab. The adhesive should be spread in the same direction on the slab and on the substrate, aligning with the direction of the shorter side of the tile. Place the slab close to the surface to be tiled and lift the slab by the long side before placing it in a vertical position. Once the slabs have been placed on the substrate, eliminate the air by gently moving the slab with the help of suction cups and tapping it with a rubber float or using a tile vibration tool. Always check for a perfect bond at corners and edges. Next, insert the clips at the ends of the tiles to create the desired joint. The minimum recommended joint width is 2 mm for indoors and 5 mm for outdoors. Then, manually insert the wedges into the clips to level the slabs before the adhesive sets. Once the recommended setting time is finished, carefully remove the clips one by one using pliers. Do not bang the wedges. Finally, grout the joints. To do this, you can use cementitious or epoxy resin products. Check the manufacturer's instructions and observe the recommended wait times. Apply the grout with a hard-edged rubber grout float. Lastly, clean the joints with a damp sponge before the material sets. It's that easy to install COVERLAM wall tiles. When installing COVERLAM on top of existing tiles, make sure the tiles are installed correctly and then follow the same steps as before. COVERLAM is an ideal product for renovations as it can be easily laid on top of existing walls and floors without the need for any demolition work. This does away with annoyances such as noise, dust, and debris, and means the work can be completed more quickly. For more detailed information, we recommend you check our installation manual available on the Grispania website.